Hello everyone, I am Sait and welcome back to my channel Sait. In today's video, I'll talk about the 4G plus aggregation. What is the issue going on with the POCO F3 GT device? Because a lot of users are asking me this kind of question that what is the main issue? Why you're saying that there's a problem with the 4G plus? But in this video, I'll try to explain entirely. One more quick note: this phone supports 4G plus. Yes, there's no problem in that. This phone can actually detect 2cc, 3cc, and 4cc as well. Yes, there's no problem in that. I'll try to show you all the proofs. I did my research completely, friends, on this POCO F3 GT. Just to give the information to you all. So first thing is that quick note, I'll be using the JioSIM only during this time of testing. So I did not include Airtel, no idea right now. Only JioSIM I have included this complete test. So first thing is that you should know that JioSIM has got 3 different bands, which is 2300, 1800 and 850, band 40, band 3 and band 5. These are the frequency which they will be organized, as you can see exactly. So first, the POCO F3 GT supports 4G plus aggregation in the band 40, which is 2300 megahertz. It supports 4G plus. I'll try to show you the proof. And next, with the band 500, with the band 850 megahertz, this supports 4G plus, no issues. But with this band 3, with this 1800 megahertz, this POCO F3 GT doesn't support 4G plus aggregation. No, it doesn't support. But in these 2 bands, you can actually get the 4G plus aggregation without any problem in this POCO F3 GT. I'll try to show you the proof as well. So don't skip the video. Please try to watch till end of the video, friends. I'm trying to show all the proofs. If you skip the video, you won't even understand what's the problem is happening. So right now, as you can see, exactly 1800 LTE, 1800 band, and I'm not getting 4G plus. You may think it's not supported in my area. That's not the case. No, it is supported. I'll try to show you the couple of proofs as well. This is the POCO X3, POCO X3, 1500 999 rupees mobile phone, POCO X3, and it is supported for LTE 1800 band, as you can see in this location only. And next, Realme X7 Max. These are Realme X7 Max. Let me just show you the proof. As you can see, LTE 1800 band, it's supported. So these phones, they support carrier aggregation in all the 3 bands for the JioSIM card. But this POCO F3 GT, for some reason, it's not supporting only in this 1800. And next photo, I'll try to show you. As you can see, 4cc bands I got. 4 bands the phone received, as you can see, friends. And these are 3 bands. The phone was able to capture that kind of 2cc and 3cc and 4cc as well. That is not a problem at all. You can see you are able to get. But when the phone uses the 1800 band only, which is of this one, band 3, which is a frequency of 1800, only then the phone is not supported with the 4G plus. That is the one thing which you should definitely understand. So maybe this problem may get fixed. The reason I am saying may get fixed because this is the same issue which has happened with the iQOO 7 device. If you remember my videos with the past, you can definitely understand. The iQOO 7 also got same kind of issue. Yes, in the beginning, in my home, I was unable to get, in my town, I think in the phone itself, I was unable to get the 4G plus with this particular frequency. But after the software update from the iQOO 7 team, I got the 4G plus aggregation with the same band in this phone. So hopefully we may get this problem get fixed. But this is not the big issue, I would say, definitely, friends, because it also depends upon the location and it also depends upon this frequency what your phone is connected. So try to check what band your phone is connected. I did get plenty of comments saying that they are getting 4G plus. Maybe your phone must be connected to the band maybe 40 or 5. Only then it's possible to get the 4G plus. If your POCO F3 GT is connected to this kind of 1800 band right now, as you can see, right now my JioSIM 1800 band, if it is connected, you cannot get the 4G plus in this POCO F3 GT. That's the final conclusion which I thought of just make you understand what is happening in the 4G plus in this POCO F3 GT. So don't worry at all, friends. This phone supports 4G plus. I did get so many comments, so many messages. Please, can you explain why it's not supported? And in one video it's showing supported, in another video it's not supported. What's happening? So I thought of clearly explaining in front of the camera what is going on with the POCO F3 GT device. So if you ask me, is it a big deal for not getting? I don't think so. I don't think it's a big deal, but there is a 50-50 chances that it might get fixed with the software update. Just because of iQOO 7, I did have the experience with this iQOO 7. That is the reason I was able to say that kind of thing. But I cannot guarantee, maybe. Just try to download this application NetsMonster and try to check what type of band you are trying to connect, and just you can get that kind of confirmation as well. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries regarding the POCO F3 GT, don't forget to ask in the comment section below. I'll do my best to give the results at the earliest stage possible. And in case if you are looking for any kind of video, first you should search for the video in the playlist. If there is no video in the playlist, then try to comment, because I'm getting plenty of comments already asking me to the videos on already which I uploaded. So that's not how it works. So try to check the playlist, and then if the video is not there, try to ask me. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and that's in the next video I thought of clarifying, and finally this is a complete, even I got to understand what is happening in this phone. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.